Use a jack to lower the tire. This is my brake caliper. Look inside here. See this pin backing out and how close it is to the mag spoke? It looks dangerously close. Can we see how small that gap is? First thing I do is remove the caliper. Top one and the bottom one. Next is the axle nut. This can be a 3/4 or a 19. And we take the bar, we put it on the other side. We have a jack supporting the tire. Washer. Do not remove the axle yet. Next, we gotta loosen this pinch bolt. Same size Allen as a brake caliper, 5/16, 9/16. Just needs to be loosened. All right, before we pull the axle, we want to make sure the tire is supported by a jack. And there's the axle. The tire should come out easily. Let's go over this one more time. See this bushing, the right side. And this is the bushing on the left side. The Harley dealer installed the new tires, and while it was there, they replaced the wheel bearings. Flat washer, lock washer, nut. Nut on the back side, Allen on the front. See these notches here? They need to line up with this pin, 25 to 30. Put the other side on. Again, make sure this here is one of these notches. Should be lined up. So we need to check the axle end play, how much it moves side to side. And these are shims. And they go in here, and we need to measure. Lastly, we put the fender back on.